Louisiana and surrounding states wrapping up their preparations. Hurricane Ida. Betsy, chief meteorologist, you're in here watching this. What is it looking like right now?
Eye of the storm still about 18 hours away, but conditions continue to deteriorate overnight tonight and into the early part of the day tomorrow. So if folks aren't hunkered down now, they're going to have a tough time as we go through the day tomorrow. The eye of the storm is actually on radar right now. We take a look here at the live Doppler radar out of New Orleans, and you can see that little circle. That is the eye. So the sweep is going around. Obviously, it's scanning the skies, and keep in mind, we are seeing the outer rain bands now of the storm making it onshore. There's the eye. So this will become more and more well-defined as this gets closer to the radar and starts scanning. If we switch it around to the satellite product, though, boy, you can definitely see it. Now, there's a lot of really interesting things that are happening, okay? Number one, you can see the symmetry has returned in the storm. That's a sign of strengthening. We have a lot of new thunderstorm development, these high clouds, and they're wrapping around the eye. So there's probably some kind of an eye wall replacement going on. But also notice here, this little slice right there of dry air, if that gets pulled into the center, that's going to help to choke it off. So there's still a lot that's to be played out here as we go through the night tonight. But for right now, you can see that the outer parts of the storm are coming onshore of the Gulf Coast as the eye of the storm is still about 18 hours away. It is a Cat 2 as of 11 p.m. from the National Hurricane Center. Sustained winds at 105, gusts to 125. Pressure's been sliding down to 964. And as we head through the night tonight, the storm will begin to really impact those coastal areas once we get into the day tomorrow. I put on here some wind streams so you can really track where the core of the highest winds are going to be and watch how this is going to slide right up over Grand Isle, Louisiana. Now, they have moved the forecast track just a little bit to the east, but keep in mind that is just basically the geographical center point of the eye. That is the only thing that communicates. The widespread impacts of those hurricane force winds are going to be felt way on either side of the center of the storm. Not only that, we have a lot of water that is going to be pushed inland. This is the storm surge, and where you see these white colors, this is the storm surge inundation information, and you can see that we are anticipating a lot of water coming into Lake Pontchartrain and the areas here, the bayous around New Orleans. Notice that all that onshore flow is just going to continue to push the water in. So once the water comes up, it's not going to be released until the storm goes by. At the same time we have wind, we have storm surge, we're going to have rain coming down, lots and lots and lots of rain. And they are anticipating possibly 10 inches or more of rain throughout areas of Louisiana. And notice how the storm's track comes up and goes to the northeast. Tuesday at 7 p.m. it lands just to the north of Nashville and then continues into the Ohio Valley. Interestingly enough, it is this frontal boundary to the north that will impact our weather come Sunday night into Monday and will help to steer the storm system. It's all being pushed by this little trough, and it's this little trough that's going to change the upper level winds to become a little bit more southwesterly. So as the storm comes in, it'll hook into the Ohio Valley. So we don't get the direct impacts of the core of the storm, but we are probably going to have some rain out of it, specifically in areas south and east of I-77. As far as tonight goes, everybody, we're going to zoom into Cleveland. New graphic alert. We do have those partly cloudy skies and mostly clear skies, warm and muggy, temperatures in the low 70s, light winds around. Then for your day tomorrow, anticipate highs right back up toward 90. Isolated storm chances are going to be around. Matter of fact, as we take a look at your National Design hour-by-hour forecast, look at the peak temperatures right up at 90 degrees, and there you can see those little scattered shower and thunderstorm chances that'll be bubbling up as we head through the day. Here's your Union Home Mortgage outlook. Once we get through the heat tomorrow, we'll find the temperatures sliding as we get into the middle part of the week. We are anticipating watching Ida on Wednesday. That is a big day for us. Once that goes by, we get into a dry stretch, temperatures right back into the upper 70s and low 80s all the way through next weekend.